Where's Bear going? What Bear doing over there? Oh, Climber love Mama Ev. Hi, Mama Ev. Hello. Oh no, be careful with your nails. You can come up here though. There you go. Great job, Mama Ev. Great job. Great job. You do a really great job. Hi, Climber. You look so sleepy. Hi, Mama Ev. How are you? Look at Caramel biting the. Those are those are spurs, hon. Those sand spurs. They hurt. He's gonna cut your mouth, silly. Oh my goodness gracious. Bear. Mama Patches said no, Bear. You better hide. You got yourself into it, Bear. I don't know what to tell you, but she's gonna whoop your butt. You can't mess with the mamas. Mama Patch is gonna get you. Mama Patch is gonna get Bear. Bear being a bad boy. You scared off Mama Chinny's baby. Oh, that's right. Macho Man still wants to wrestle. Okay. So cute. So cute. Hi, Climber. Where'd TJ go? There's TJ. These are nice babies. Hi, TJ. You're very handsome. Macho Man wants to play. So cute. Look at Climber. Such a cute boy. Where's Journey? Where'd Journey take off to? Mama Ev's a good mama. There's Journey. There's Journey. Macho Man wants in on this. TJ wants to play with you, Macho Man. Where's Journey? Where did Journey go? It's okay, I not hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. I wanna see you play so I can give you a name. Climber's a good boy getting hungries, even if it is from his aunt. He needs his hungries. He's doing a great job. He needs his hungries to get better so he's not sick anymore. You did a great job. The nice babies. That's how the nice babies do it. Oh, he loves Mama Eb. He wants kissies. He just loves Mama Eb. So good boys. Those are the good boys. Look how much they love you, Mama Eb. Hi, Space Ghost. What you doing? Oh my gosh, I can't even see you over there, Space Ghost. Wow, that's good cover. There's that little rock that I call a mountain the babies were climbing up. That's a climber kept climbing up the mountain. This grass is like this from 3 days. 3 days. It's because it rained. It's crazy, right? Where are you going to? Where are you going to? Climber and Macho Man Journey and TJ all run from Mama Patches. It's time to have milkies, Mama Patches said. Come get milkies from your own mom. That Mama Patches, that's your own mom. Your own mama, right, Patches? Look how pretty. Patches is so pretty. Patches does a great job. Where are you going, TJ? Hi, Mama Ev. Where are you going, Macho Man? Journey wants milkies. Climber just wants Mama Ev. Climber love Mama Ev because Mama Ev be so nice to Climber. Right? Oh, good. She can see that it's clean. It's all clean in there. It's a good fort to have. Even though you have one over here. There's Two-Face. Come on out, Two-Face. TJ, what are you doing way over there? You found a new spot, Mama Ev? I think Mama Patches should move in there. Look how beautiful those babies. There's Two-Face, there's Caramel, there's Shaka, Chocolate. They're all awake now. It's breakfast time. Look how good Journey climbs. Journey's always on a journey. Always. Look at TJ. He's just flat out tired. Is that what they call flat out tired, TJ? You look silly. You look so silly, TJ. Yeah.